Hey everybody, it's Sarge. I'm back. This is just a short one. I'm just letting you guys know that I have upgraded my room and cleaned it up. and I built this computer over the winter break, and it's a beast. It's pretty nice, and that's what I'm doing all my rendering now and all my work on my computer as far as like editing videos and stuff like that. And looking up stuff and 3D printing also. But yeah, so there's the paint station. I got some IKEA desks on the low from Facebook Market. I got this table for $40 with the legs. I got this table for regular, with my military discount at the IKEA my son works at. So I got this one for regular price. I think it was like 70, 80 bucks. I got the legs with the stand-on feature for like 70 bucks on Facebook Market. Then I got this table, Facebook Market with the legs, $10. So the last piece of the puzzle that I wanted to put in here was the Alex drawers, and the guy was selling a desk with Alex drawers on Facebook Market for like 150 bucks. And I just asked him, hey, how much for the Alex drawers total? And I got the two together for 80 total. So you could say I saved a whole lot of money. All right. So if you like this and you're ready for me to start painting from this station, stay tuned because I'm coming very soon. All right. And like I said, I promised one guy I will do another skin video. So that'll be first up. And I meant to paint April from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles for a show that I was just at. So I'll just go ahead and do that one. All right. So stay tuned. Peace out.